You gotta love a pool in a football stadium. So what's it like to go to a professional football game with 25% capacity during a pandemic? Well, today we're gonna find out. Let's go. What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Travel Adventures with Eric B. I'm Eric B. Today I'm in Jacksonville, Florida, going out in the football game and checking out the city. Beautiful out here on the river here in Jacksonville. We're gonna go check Jacksonville out. We're gonna go see some Thursday night football. Let's go. This is the Hyatt Regency, about a mile away from the football stadium. It's about $200 a night, but I'm staying for free, 100% on points. Jacksonville's a great city. I've been here multiple times in the past. This is a different perspective, though, because I've never been to a Jags game. So we're going to see the Jags and my favorite team, the Miami Dolphins, here. So this is going to be a fun Thursday night football game. Like I say, only 25% capacity. And the hotel's about a mile away. We're going to take the tuk-tuk bike into the stadium, which you'll see in a few minutes. But it's a really nice hotel. I used a good bit of points on this, though. I used 12,000 points. It's Category 3 Hyatt Hotel. 12,000 points. Hyatt points goes like 5,000, 8,000, and then 12,000 for Category 3. And I think it goes 15, 20, and then it goes up to like 30,000. So, but this is a really nice hotel. 12,000 points. It's a little over 200 a night. So, but and I think the team's staying here. I wasn't 100% positive of that, but I think the team's staying here. There were AEW wrestlers staying here. That was pretty cool. This is the room here. We're going to get ready to check out the room and see what it's like. I already been in it, so you'll see some stuff on the bed and whatnot, but we're going to make another little tour of it and see what it's like. It's a pretty nice room. It's actually not as big as the Hyatt Place. Hyatt Place has bigger rooms, actually. See your little area where you can make coffee. There's your free bottle of water because I am an elite Hyatt member and I'm not a globalist. I haven't made it that far. You got to get a lot of stays before you get to the top level, but I am an explorer, so I do get a free bottle of water. There goes the TV on the wall. This is a nice room. It's the remote's clean and bagged up and everything. But like I said, the Hyatt Place, they actually give you more room as far as your room. Like you have little extra areas, even though the Hyatt Place is a little bit cheaper than the Hyatt Regency, which we're staying in. But I dig it, though. I mean, it's a nice hotel. You got your little refrigerator tucked away right here. You got your little compartment. You can put a lot of stuff in there if you choose to. Again, I got my bags right here off to the side. Came to the game with my sister, so she's got a little stuff on the other bed, if you notice. There goes the view outside into the city. Really good view. And being that I used points, I figured they'd put me on the inside view, and I really wouldn't get this wonderful view of the city of Jacksonville that I was able to get using points. Sort of surprised me. And these are the River Run athletes. These statues were actually created back in 2002 for Jacksonville, and they were moved around. They were originally by the River Run on the Jacksonville Landing, which was bought out and sadly demolished. Go Tuk Incorporated is the name of the company. I don't know how many of you have ever rode a tuk-tuk before, but this is a tuk-tuk I'm riding in. It's going to take me about the 1 mile of distance from the Hyatt Hotel to the Jacksonville Jaguar Stadium. It was $10 for the ride. It was a lot better than the 20 minutes walk on foot, especially when I don't really know where I'm going. So it's pretty enjoyable ride. Just a little space here. It's kind of nice. I like it. Like I say, I don't know how many of you have ever rode in one of these before, but it's pretty cool, especially on a night it's not too hot out. It's pretty nice night, so, you know, the wind's kicked up a little bit. I'm kind of enjoying it. And they have these all over the downtown area. You can hail one down if you don't call one. Maybe there'll be one available. We called from the hotel, so had it already set up. The driver came, picked us up, but for $10, though, I mean, the ride's only it's a 5-minute ride. Like I said, probably about 20, 25 minutes on foot. But since I don't really know where I'm going, I would much rather take the 5-minute ride here than to go on foot for 20, 25 minutes if I'm going in the right direction. So it was a pretty enjoyable experience. So the stadium holds about 65,000, I want to say. So at 25% capacity, they're expecting about 17,000 from what I understand. So it'll be interesting. Definitely a different Thursday night experience. If you're driving the game, you don't have to worry about the traffic and the parking issues that you would have to worry about with a full crowd. I won't show any actual plays from the game because I don't want to get any YouTube strikes here because I know the games are copywritten by the National Football League. So you don't want to record any actual plays and put it on video. So there's no actual plays that are being recorded here. But you notice the mass police around. There's a lady right there. There's a lot of mass police around. There were 6 people at a time in our section. The guy right there in the red also. They're making sure everyone's wearing their mask, and they're strictly enforcing the mask rule. There were people that were being kicked out of the game left and right. They were getting cops to come in, you know, if they had to warn you too many times, and the cops would come in, and the cops would, you know, actually put handcuffs on people or just walk them out, depending on how they choose to handle the situation. But mask mandate strictly enforced. You have to wear your mask if you come to the game. So remember that. Those of you who are out there wanting to go to an NFL game or a college game for that matter, wear your mask. Duval, that's the team cry, that's the city cry. They love their county. And we're back at the hotel and we're shutting it down for the night. The Dolphins won big tonight, and I won big tonight because I had a great trip and enjoyed myself. And I hope you enjoyed this type of material. If you do, I ask that you please hit the like, please hit the subscribe button. Help us to continue to grow as a travel community. And please hit that bell notification so you can know when I come back online for another video or go live. And as always, remember, live today, grow today. Tomorrow's never guaranteed. Peace.